The Samsung 43-inch Class Crystal might be the last TV you ever need to buy. I'm talking about a screen so crystal clear, it'll make your favorite movies look like they're straight out of a Hollywood blockbuster, every frame, every detail, and every color that was meant to be seen. Imagine watching your favorite sports team play in 4K resolution, with every blade of grass, every player's face, and every detail of the stadium crystal clear. That's what you get with this TV's powerful 3D color mapping and upscaling technology, an experience that'll make you wonder how you ever settled for anything less. But it's not just about visuals. This TV's elegant design will elevate your living room decor, adding a touch of sophistication that'll make you feel like you're watching TV in style. And with its slim bezel and aircraft-inspired design, you'll be distracted from the screen itself, because it's just so darn pretty. Now, I know what you're thinking, is my personal data safe on this thing? Well, let me tell you, Samsung Knox Security has got your back. With triple-layer protection, you can rest assured that your sensitive info is being kept secure, from phishing sites to malware, this TV's got it covered. But here's the best part, with thousands of free channels at your fingertips, including 400+ premium channels on Samsung TV Plus, you'll never run out of things to watch. From national news to sports, movies, and more, there's something for everyone. And with new content being added regularly, you'll always find something fresh to enjoy. Now, I want to show you what this TV can really do. Picture yourself watching your favorite game tomorrow morning, with the smoothest motion possible, up to 60 Hz, to be exact. That's what Motion Accelerator delivers, making every moment feel more real than ever before. Sound familiar? Who doesn't want that level of picture quality and smooth motion in their living room? This TV's got it in spades, and once you try it out, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. But let me be clear, this TV isn't just a pretty face, although, let's be real, it's one gorgeous screen. It's also packed with advanced features like 4K resolution, powerful upscaling, and sleek design. And with its advanced processor, you can expect crystal clear visuals that'll make your eyes do the happy dance. So what does it all add up to? A TV that's not just a TV, but an experience. One that'll elevate your entertainment, enhance your decor, and keep you coming back for more. That's the Samsung 43-inch Class Crystal, folks. And if you want one, click the link below to get yours today. Experience every shade of color as it was meant to be seen in dazzling 4K. Plus, make your movies, TV shows, games and sports look even better with powerful 4K upscaling. Enhance your home decor with a TV crafted from a single metal sheet and featuring a slim bezel. Add a hint of sophistication with an aircraft-inspired design, and watch TV with minimal distractions. Your TV experiences are secured. Samsung Knox Security defends against harmful apps and phishing sites while keeping sensitive data, such as PINs and passwords, secure. Watch 700+ free channels including 400+ Samsung TV Plus premium channels and on free streaming apps. Enjoy national and local news, sports, movies and more. Get up to 4K resolution in all the content you love. Watch details come to life in every scene of shows or that classic film you love, even if the source quality is lower resolution. By estimating the movement between frames, Motion Accelerator predicts and smooths them out for improved picture clarity at up to 60 Hz.